Please look at this light on the table. It is a normal check light. At the first glance, it is not much different from the original check lights at the market. Let's take a look at its size first. The weight is about 1.2 kg. Right, let's check the power. Okay, finished. So the size of this light is 28 by 21 cm and the diameter of the housing is 6.3 cm and weighs about 1.2 kg. Normal check is suitable, like normal check light. If the adapter is 3-wire, you can use 3-wire check. If 4-wire, you can use 4-wire check. Smart remote control light. You can control the panning, tilting, dimming, color temperature adjusting, and zooming remotely. Now, let's take a look at the functions one by one. The color temperature is too white. Okay, so it looks warm, but the light is too concentrated and harsh. Oh, perfect! Do you notice the control weight of this light? Yes, it is controlled by this remote control in my hand. This is a radio remote control that has been programmed. As long as the lights are coded, the same remote control can be used for different lights. Next, let's test the group control function again. Today's test is done. Are you interested in this smart remote control check light? Please follow our website and give us more attention and leave your comment.